Hi everyone, today I've got fake Samsung and let me share with you how to enable developer options on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom in order to find the About phone. As you can see, I've got developer options right now activated, but let me show how to do it for the very first time. So if we are in About phone, we have to find the build number and keep tapping on it until you will see the information that you're in the developer mode. Probably you will have to tap on it for like 7 times. So we can go back, and right under About phone we've got developer options, so let's tap on it, and as you can see here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So if you would like to turn on the feature, all you have to do is simply tap on it, and as you can see, it is immediately activated and applied. Obviously, you can turn it off the same way just by tapping on it. If you can see the options without the switcher, for example like here in the logger buffer sizes, then just tap on it in order to open much more advanced settings. So if you are done with customization of developer options, you can turn them off just by tapping on this switcher right here. And as you can see, right now they are inactive, but after getting back you can still see them under the About phone even after turning off the settings completely. So probably they will disappear after restarting your device. So actually this is it. This is how to activate developer options in this fake Samsung. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.